Hello guys, welcome to my channel once again. So in this video we are going to replace this static headlamp switch to automatic headlamp switch. So this switch I bought in online. So this is around 1800 rupees. So this has a light sensor as well. So when we are going under the tunnel or it becoming dark, right, so it will turn on the headlights automatically. So in this video we'll see how to install this headlamp switch, and we'll see how it works. Yeah, before installing that automatic headlamp switch, we need to remove the existing switch from the dashboard. So for removing this one, we just need to push this button and turn right, and now try to pull it away. So okay guys, before removing that plug from the switch, so I'll explain how I removed this switch. So you can see small lock kind of things here. So when you're pressing this button and turning into right, so this lock will go inside. So when you're pushing, it will come very easily. Okay, so now we are going to remove the plug from switch. So you need to press this one and from this side and pull out the switch. So that's it. So for installing this automatic headlamp, this is the sensor. So you need to pull it here. And plug this switch back. So it's just a lock type, you just press it. So that's it. Now try to switch on. So now the headlights are turned on. So again you push it inside. So okay. So now the sensor is out. So you need to place the sensor somewhere where you can see the lights. So I prefer the dashboard right now. So let me place this sensor in the dashboard. So I just placed the sensor. So I am going to put all the remaining wires inside, and I'm going to lock the dashboard. Yeah, that's it guys. So we'll see now how it works. Alright guys, we have completed installation for this automatic headlamp switch. So now I'm going to explain this each and every functionality of this switch, and I'm going to give the demo for you. So you can see now the car key is on, and it is illuminating in red now. So I'm going to put it on auto mode. So this should enable the headlights. So now it is in auto mode. See, since it is dark, so it just enable the headlights. And if you're turning to next step, this will enable the DRL as well as the city light. And next one is for as usual, it will turn on the headlamps. And when you're pulling one step, right, so this will enable the fog lamps. So actually my fog lamp is in 3 color. When you're turning off and turning on, right, it will change the color. So now it is in white, this is normal, and this is 3000K, which means yellow. So now the key is on, so that's why the headlight is working. So I'm going to take off the key, and the headlight is still working. So this will work for around 10 seconds. So after that it will switch off the headlights. So this is called leaving home functionality. So after this we will check for the coming home functionality. So usually this will work with a remote as well. So when you're locking, right, so these headlights will be turned on for 10 seconds. See, now it is turned off. So now I'm going to unlock the car key. So this should enable the headlights. So when I'm coming from the house or somewhere, right, so till I reach the car, these headlights will be switched on so that I can reach my car easily. Okay, now I'm going to unlock the car with remote. So this should enable the headlights now. So these headlights will be turned on for 10 seconds till I reach the car. See, now the headlights are turned on. So this will give you some sufficient time to reach the car from somewhere. Thanks for watching this video, guys. Do subscribe and follow my channel. I'll try to post more videos in future. So this will be all related to Skoda and Volkswagen cars. Thank you.